We have with us Ankit Garg, co-founder and CEO of WakeFit Innovations. WakeFit Innovations has listed today on the exchanges. Welcome to each and now, Ankit, and congratulations for the listing.
Thank you very much.
It's a big day for you, but a tepid listing. Going ahead as a promoter, what is your goal? What is your strategy to build shareholder value from here?
See, I think our strategy has been pretty much clear. We want to become the destination for consumers where when they start thinking of home, they should start thinking of WakeFit. So the strategy is very clear. To achieve that goal, we have to make sure that we do a lot more in terms of creating value for our customers, whether it is coming from setting up more factories, reducing prices, offering more products, more catalog, giving higher quality services, speed delivery. I think there's a lot that we have mentioned pre-IPO as well. I think we continue to double down on the same strategy.
If you look at the IPO proceeds, about 31 crores is earmarked to open the 117 Coco stores from the proceeds. What's the timeline for opening these 117 stores?
So we're looking for opening. As of today, we have about 135 stores now live as of today. We plan to open 117 stores in the next 3 years. And these stores are going to be predominantly located in tier 2, tier 3 towns. So the strategy has been widely. First few stores we opened were in the metros, typically Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Gurgaon. And now eventually then we went to tier 1, like mostly the cities of the capital. Now going forward, we're going to open more in the tier 2 towns, like cities like Mathura, Meerut, Ghaziabad, Kota, cities like that.
Right. And there's also a big chunk of the IPO proceeds which will go into general corporate purposes. Give us more color about the likely utilization of those funds.
There is not much of a utilization that we're expecting out of those funds because we are a cash flow generating company. We believe that GCP is generally for anything which, let's say, which is unimaginable happens, something like Corona. I don't know if there is anything that we don't expect or foresee. I think we're going to just keep it for that. Otherwise, there's no use of those funds in our company as of today.
Right. What's WakeFit's position on acquisitions and growing through the inorganic way?
See, I think we as a company have always looked at what can we bring more to our customers, what more value can be added, and hence over the last 5 years we evaluated more than 65 companies. We speak with them, we try to understand what they bring on the table, whether it's a good team that they have, whether it's a good proposition they have built, or they have large supply chain including factories belong to them. Unfortunately, until now we have not been able to do any of them because of any of the reasons that I mentioned previously, but we are actively looking out for opportunities in the market. If there are ways that we feel that we can create more value for our customers, we would definitely be open to it. But as of now, there's nothing.
Right. And also give us an idea about the promoter shareholding dilution after the IPO.
Yeah, I think pre-IPO we together, both the promoters together owned about 43% of the company. Now we are holding about 37-38% of the company. This is how it is.
Right. And the home furnishing business, what potential do you see? And what kind of opportunity you see for WakeFit in it? I mean, how do you position yourself in this industry?
Yeah. See, if you look at WakeFit industry, we started with mattresses, then eventually started selling top of the bed products like bed sheets, pillows, protectors, comforters. Then we eventually went into furniture. Now we believe that we're going to expand ourselves so that we become a complete destination for home products, which is offering products on wall decor, table decor, kitchen utilities and stuff. So a lot of categories, that is what we're planning to do. So I think from a value standpoint, we are very clear. WakeFit is a value for money. We provide high quality products at a very low price because we are a D2C brand. We don't have middlemen. We have our own experience centers which are company owned, company operated. We have our own warehouses through which we manage the inventory, we deliver the inventory, and hence reduce the cost for our consumers. So at the back end, we are very backward integrated to make sure the products are of high quality at low cost, and hence the customer enjoys the benefit. I think we are going to continue to maintain the same positioning for the accessories and decor category also.
Right. And also in the first 6 months of this financial year, you posted a profit after 3 consecutive years of losses. For the FY26 and for the rest of this half year, what is your outlook on profitability and also on revenue?
See, I think if you look at WakeFit journey, first 5 years we were profitable. We used to pay advance tax as the company was making money. Then we opened up a large manufacturing facility. It was a greenfield project. We invested a decent amount of money because we wanted to get into furniture. It took us a time to get to a decent utilization of the factory, and hence for the first those 2-3 years there was some turbulence in raw material prices because of COVID, and then obviously this greenfield project together happened, and hence company slipped into losses. But largely company has always, for the last 10 years, out of 10 years, we were profit making for 7 years. This year also we are again profit making, and we continue to do so for the foreseeable future also.
Right. Within 2 months, we have the union budget coming for as a company, and also for the home furnishing business. What will be your wish list from the finance minister?
Yeah, see, we have seen there was a great help on the GST side when there were some categories that we used to sell were at 12%, came down to 5%. We believe that furniture as an industry, including mattresses, sofa, beds, dinings, largely the market is still unorganized. We still see that maybe a single digit percentage of the market is organized, that to only lower single digit, 3, 4, 5%. But having said that, I believe that we would definitely need support from government in terms of making it even more affordable, so that by giving us some form of waiver on the industry from GST side, and can we make it more everybody's home. If you notice, everybody has an aspiration to buy a home in India. Everybody has an aspiration to decor their home to the likelihood they want. I believe that if government supports us in reducing GST on this front also, the industry will become much more organized, much more competitive, and much more affordable for consumers.
Right. Thanks for speaking to us.